Okay, everybody, we have Tim here. Tim is having 3,000 grafts today. He's going to be putting 1,500 in his hairline and 1,500 in his crown. How you feeling, Tim?
Feeling great.
So we are at the point of placing in the hairline, and then we have someone in the back, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. See if y'all can see that. Not sure, but Tim, how long have you been thinking about doing this?
I've been thinking about it for over 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah.
What took you so long?
Tried Propecia, tried Rogaine, nothing works, so surgery.
This is it.
Yes.
Well, this will work.
Yeah.
Have you had much pain? What's your pain level?
Pain level is 0.
Oh,
I'm
good.
doing my business, using my phone, listening to music.
Oh, good.
Making money.
Okay. Well, would you recommend this to most people?
Of course.
Yeah. You were the happiest patient that came in this morning.
I'm so happy.
His blood pressure was great. His pulse was low. It was crazy. No nervousness from Tim today.
Yep.
So, okay, Tim, we will check in with Tim when his hair starts growing in and post some maybe after so everybody can see it. And we'll post his before the surgery started photo. Okay, Tim, any last parting words?
Thank you.